Hello guys, good morning. My face looks so swollen right now. I have made my breakfast. I have made some overnight oats. These are my favorite kind of oats, and this specific recipe is my favorite of all time. I can eat them like every day. So I'll be sharing the recipe with you all. Meanwhile, I will be eating this. So go and check out the recipe.
Yesterday.
As the name suggests, it is overnight oats, so we need to soak them overnight. Here I have some powdered oats with me, and I'm gonna take them in a bowl, about three or four big spoons. This completely depends on your appetite, how much hungry you are in the morning. But for me, I think big 4 spoons work really well. Also, I would suggest you use rolled oats and then you grind them in a powder instead of using instant oats. After this, I take 4 or 5 cashew and I soak them in water in the evening, so for about 1 2 hours, and then I put it again in a mixer and grind them to make cashew milk just like this. And then I add the cashew milk in the oats. Now you want to mix this and check the consistency. So it should not be too liquidy and it should not be too hard as well, so that there should be enough liquid for the oats to soak overnight and still not be too runny in the morning. You know what I mean? So I'm going to add some water in this, and it should be of something like this consistency. Now I have taken 2 figs. You can take 1 fig or 3 figs according to how sweet you want the oats to be. So for me, 2 works very well. So I'm gonna add 2 chopped figs into this. And now I'll cover it and put it on the countertop for about 15-20 minutes and then in the fridge overnight.
The next night.
And in the morning you will see how the oats have changed the consistency. If you have added the right amount of liquid, it should look something like this. Now I'm going to mash the figs that we have added with the spoon so that all the sweetness is distributed properly. And now on the top I will add a fruit. You can do any fruit you like. I am doing apples today, but you can choose any sweet fruit. I would not suggest you use a citrus fruit. And then on top of it I will add some cinnamon because I like it that way, but you can do any topping you like. And by far this is my favorite kind of breakfast because it is gluten free, sugar free, vegan people can have it because it is dairy free as well. Now after that I just sit down and write my intentions for the day. I write my to-do list and stuff like that. I basically schedule my day entirely after having my breakfast.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna.
So guys, now I am going to unbox this parcel that we have got from Mcaffine. I have to shoot a video with these products today, so I will quickly unbox it with you guys. Just took a shower, you guys, and this is what I'm wearing today. It is my mom's dress. It's Friday today, so I will be praying and then I'm going to have my lunch and then I'm going to shoot the video that Mcaffine coffee body wash that I've gotten. I'm gonna shoot that video and then I'm going to and then I'm going to go to the gym. I'm gonna do some cardio and then I'll come back home and then let's see what we do. Also wanted to show you guys this fragrance. It's called Floral Fantasy from Eba, and this is my Friday fragrance. I wear this every Friday, and also when it's Ramadan I wear this because it is a perfume oil and it does not have any alcohol in it, so I can like pray in this with this perfume. So it's a very good fragrance as well. So yeah, just thought I would mention this.
Oh.
So guys, I had my lunch. I had fish, fried fish and some fish curry, and I had one roti with that. So yeah, I forgot to like film it. I don't know, I finished my lunch and then I realized, oh my god, I did not film it. But anyways, I'm telling you now, I had fish and it was yummy. Now I'm going to make some notes. I'm making some notes for the Mcaffine body wash that I'm going to shoot today. I already have the script, I have the flow of the video, but I just need to like make some pointers that I need to like keep in mind while shooting. So I'm just going to write that down. And the thing is that it's a shower video, so I need to shoot it in my shower, like in my bathroom. So it makes me really uncomfortable. I don't know why, to like shoot a video. Of course I'll be wearing clothes, but it makes me a little uncomfortable to like shoot a video in the bathroom. But anyways, that's the part of my job. So yeah, let's do it.
Going to the gym. I finished my shooting. Oh my god, it took so long. And now I'm going to the gym. This is what I'm wearing. Ta-da. Let's go.
And after I came back home from the gym, I had my protein, and then my mom was making some sandwiches for dinner. So I thought, why not I film it and show you guys. So she has added some butter, onion, capsicum, and some seasoning. I think it is oregano and some herbs. And then she has added some boiled chicken, and she has added a little bit of water from the boiled chicken so that everything is cooked properly. And yeah, this is how she makes my sandwiches. And for the sauce part of it, she has taken Greek yogurt and mayonnaise, both in equal parts, and after switching the gas off, she has added the sauce into it and also added some pepper. This is completely dependent on how much spicy you want the sandwich to be. Then I have taken some sourdough bread, I have applied some butter on top of it, and I flipped it on the other side, put the stuffing, but I'm not going to close the sandwich, I'm just going to keep it open. It's an open sandwich, and I'm going to use this Parmesan cheese on top of it and a little bit of it. And now, if you remember, I put the butter first on the other side so that I can fry it now. So I'm just going to fry it a little bit on one side. I'll also cover the lid for once for 4 to 5 minutes, and my sandwiches are ready. Let me know if you guys try the sandwiches and what do you think of them.